Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking in runes that amplify attack speed and sustained DPS. Fleet footwork or lethal tempo both work. Once done, buy Doran's blade and a potion, and focus on last hitting while trading with quick W pokes. Make sure to swap Jinx's Q to rockets for wave clear and minion pressure, then return to minigun to trade when the enemy is close. Early lane priority is safe gold and level 6. Aim to hit level 6 before extended fights. You transition into objective-focused play by using rockets to clear waves fast and force enemy rotations, which opens windows to secure Dragon or Herald. Once done, drop E-traps in choke points and jungle entrances to deny engages and lock down flanks. Communicate trap locations to your team. Make sure to attack from a safe angle during sieges, leveraging rockets for tower damage, and use Jinx's passive resets after takedowns to continue pressuring or to disengage when the fight turns. You close out games by maintaining extreme range and prioritizing enemy carries, position behind tanks, and use W and Q to pick targets while kiting. Once done, use R to execute fleeing enemies or to zone during Baron and Dragon fights, and capitalize on your passive resets after kills. Make sure to keep vision and ask for peel if you're being dove. If things go wrong and you fall behind, play safe under tower, farm up, and wait for teammates to create fight windows before committing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.